Welcome to hgreglux. Here we have a 2022 Cadillac Escalade. This SUV came with a clean carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the SUV to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. We're going to start with the front bumper. Here, everything here looks perfect. Let's have a look at the hood of the car. Excellent. I'm not seeing any paint chips or scratches on the front at all. Let's move on to the driver fender and wheel. This fender looks perfect, and the wheel has no curb rash. Now we're going to have a look at the driver's side doors. The front and back door look good. I do not see any paint chips or scratches. Let's have a look at the quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks perfect, and the wheel has no curb rash. Now we're going to have a look at the back of the SUV. Okay, the trunk looks very good. I'm not seeing any scratches on there at all. And the back bumper looks perfect as well. We're going to move on to the passenger quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks perfect, and the wheel has no curb rash. Now we're going to take a look at the passenger side doors. Okay, the front and back door look good here. I'm not seeing no dents or scratches on them at all. Now we're going to take a look at the last fender and wheel, and this fender looks perfect. No scratches, no dents on the fender, and the wheel has no curb rash. So the exterior of this SUV is in excellent condition. Now we're going to have a look inside. We're going to start off with the driver's seat. Okay, I'm not seeing any wear and tear at all. Let's take a look at the door panel. This door panel looks perfect. All of the switches are fine, and there's no wear and tear on the door at all. Let's have a look at the back seat. Okay, the seat is in good condition. So the interior of this SUV on the driver's side is in good condition. Now we're going to take a look at the passenger side. Okay, this seat looks really good. I'm not seeing any wear on it at all. Let's have a look at the door panel. Perfect. I'm not seeing any wear on this door panel at all. Let's have a look at the back seat. Excellent. So the passenger side is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the radio. This car has navigation, also backup and 360 camera. Let's take a look at the center console and make sure that there's no wear and tear in here at all. Everything here looks perfect. Let's take a look at the steering wheel. The steering wheel is in excellent condition as well. I do not see any wear and tear on it at all. So the interior of this SUV is in excellent condition. Now we're going to take a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.